The iPhone XR's camera takes great landscape and wide-angle portraits, but wouldn't it be better to have a telephoto zoom lens like its more expensive flagship brother, the iPhone XS? Well, here's how we can add a telephoto lens on an iPhone XR. So this is a Moment 58mm telephoto lens. This beautiful looking lens can be used on your iPhone XR to achieve that 2x zoom. On the iPhone XS and XS Max, you get two different focal lengths, a regular wide lens, and a 2x telephoto lens, perfect for portraits. While we are missing that second sensor for that 2x zoom, Moment's telephoto lens will not only get you that 2x zoom, it will actually make your telephoto shots look way better than the iPhone XS's secondary shooter, since it's using the iPhone XR's main camera sensor with a much lower aperture, which will result in brighter, less grainy photos and natural looking bokeh without using portrait mode. Now if you're not familiar with Moment, they've been producing these high quality lenses for the iPhone for several years now, and their V2 lenses have only gotten better. The exterior is made out of this really high quality aluminum that is cold to the touch, and the lenses themselves are hefty and feel really good to hold. The lenses themselves are also made out of high quality glass to give you the best image quality possible. Moment also requires you to use their photo case, which is how you attach the 58mm telephoto lens to the phone, and we really like this concept because it allows us to use these Moment lenses with other phones, like an iPhone 6, 7, or 8 Plus, even the Pixel 3 from Google. Third-party lenses back in the early days were made out of plastic and didn't really use high-quality glass with multi-coat, so they weren't as sharp and introduced chromatic aberrations to the images. Now what makes the 58mm telephoto lens so great is that the shots you're now able to get with the iPhone XR. Having a single wide camera is just so limiting when you're looking to shoot portraits or if you're looking for a more compressed shot. With the iPhone XS, that's not really an issue, and that's what really drew me away from buying the XR. It's that lack of secondary lens. Now portrait mode also looks great on the iPhone XR paired with the Moment 58mm lens. Shots are more compressed, and I love how sharp the photos are even though we're adding another layer of glass on top of the lens. Now September is right around the corner, and we're hearing that the new iPhone 11R, or whatever they may end up calling the new iPhone, will apparently add a secondary shooter to its more budget-friendly iPhone. So not having a secondary lens may be a thing in the past once these new iPhones are announced, but if you're not in the market to upgrade your iPhone just yet, picking up a Moment lens won't be such a bad idea, and it's an inexpensive way to add a secondary lens to your iPhone XR. The Moment telephoto lens retails for $120, and we'll link them down below if you're interested in giving these a try.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.